Hi, so I am showing you how to make the little bunny ears today. They look like this, but I just want to talk about clips for a minute. You can use alligator barrette or alligator clips or French barrettes or like even the snap clips, whatever you want. But on these, there's multiple ways to do it. So I like it like this with my barrette on the bottom. You can have the barrette going across, across the back if you want. It just depends on how you want to put it in their hair. So if you have the barrette on the bottom like this, when they have their little piggy tails in, you're going to put your barrette in front of the hair, in front of the piggy tail. And oh, it's a little harder with Emily's hair. And it'll stand up like that, so it's in front. And if you have French barrettes, I didn't grab quite enough hair there, you want to make sure if you do it this way that you have enough hair so that your whole barrette isn't showing. Like I would have put this thicker. The other way is if you put it on the back of your clip, then you're going to put it through the actual like hair tie part of it. So it would go like through here, and it would, well, mine's going to stick this way because it's on the back instead of sticking straight up. So I prefer mine like this. It's just a personal preference. It depends on how much hair your kid has. Wow, obviously with real hair, it's a little easier than Emily's here. So I'm going to clip it down. And there's my M. So let me show you how to make it. So it's really simple. You have your cutout pieces. It's 3 pieces. I'm going to use my glue gun, which I realize is nasty, and my mom's, oops, there's something glued to it. My mom's not going to be happy that I'm showing you this with a dirty glue gun because she cleans hers every time. I'm just going to put a little glue here, and I'm going to bend these in. Now, this is going to be your back because, see, when you have this little cutout spot, not cutout, but where you cut around the stitches, it makes it just slightly wider so you see the white. So on this side, you don't see any white at all. So for me, because I like the barrette on the bottom, I'm going to glue my barrette on the bottom. If you want them on the back, you can glue it on the back like this. It's however you want to do it. There's no right or wrong on it. Oh, my glue gun's not working very well. So, oh, I want it going the opposite way. So that one goes that way. So I want this one going this way. Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. I just glued that on the right. Ah! All right. So glue it on the bottom. I just got done saying that I did it wrong. So I was thinking, this is what happens when you think and glue at the same time. All right, I'm gonna glue a little more down there because I missed, of course. Just gonna hold it a second to make sure it stays. I'm gonna peel off my oopsie mess. I'm gonna open my barrette and take this middle piece out. And I'm going to take my stick, and the stick is a little bit long because depending on what kind of vinyl you use, what kind of clips you use, ouch, got my finger, clips you use, you're going to need it longer or shorter. This one is a little long, but that's fine. I'm going to wrap it all the way around. You can cut this because you cover it in glue. It's not a big deal to cut it because the glue seals the stitches in anyway. Oh, and I've got glue everywhere. Ah. All right, so I'm going to glue this straight. Oopsie, sorry, I hit the camera. Hold that down, and then, oopsie, I hit my hoop. I'm going to put this back in, and this is thick right here because I didn't trim this. I could have trimmed that, but I'm being a little lazy because I don't want to take forever in the video. I'd also peel off all the glue mess I made. So then here's my front. I'm going to poofy my little bows out, put some glue on the front right there, and slide my little ear in. I'm going to hold it down, and I want it to stay down all the way. So I'm going to hold it. Now, on the other one, I then put a glob of glue in the back here. I'll do here too, and it's just to give it a little bit more support so it stays. I'm gonna wait before I glue this on poor Em. I don't want to glue her little yarn hair in. So this is Emily, in case you haven't met her before. She is a giant 4-foot tall groovy girl. Maybe she's 3 feet tall, I don't know, but she is very, very kid-like proportions. So I use her all the time for things, much more agreeable than my daughter, who is also now 16 and certainly not a size 4T like Em. So I'm going to, see, move M. Put this through here. See, I'm trying to do a round and not hit the camera stand. That's not working very well. All right, I'm gonna bend that a little. Oh, I have her picky tail too tight. Sorry, Emily. Again, yarn is a little more difficult to get the barrette through than regular hair. Goodness gracious. Why is it that every time I do a video, I do something silly like this where I can't actually get it through? I can feel it. And move your hair. Oh, got hair stuck. All right. Oh, and I hear my baby crying now too. So there she is. With her little bunny ears, I would obviously straighten them out and move them more, but yarn's a little hard to use. So hope you like these and have fun making them. Bye guys.